Got one of these, couldn't even put it through a piece of paper. Bit weird. Challenge accepted. Right, here we are. Got my trusty cordless screwdriver. Got myself a box of screws. Got myself a wooden pallet. And let's see how many of these bad boys we can get in here before it dies. Okay. Let's see how many we can do. Let's go. So screwing into paper is just silly. So I'm going to test this by screwing into wood using these screws. And I'm going to see how many I can get into that. Alright, straight in there, no pilot holes. And let's test the power of this screwdriver. Right, that's 50 done, so I'm going to start taking them out now, otherwise I'm going to be here all day. So there you go, test complete. 50 in, 50 out. Still going strong. Still plenty of life in the battery. In fact, it's still full. Look at that, you beauty. 11 quid I paid for this. I don't know if it's still the same price, but I'll leave a link at the bottom if you want to try and get one yourself.